You sing with Mommy? Dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. You're not going to help me sing anymore? Where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. No more singing? I know you want to. You're tipping over. You're tipping over. Come here. Boom. That didn't help, did it? Boop. Boop. No more singing? Oh, maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit? Yeah? Yeah? Tell me about your day. How was your day? Yeah? Were you the only one? Only one at daycare today? That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Alrighty. Bye-bye.